To perform the power step up, start in front of your box with one leg planted firmly on the box. Bring your arms down and explode hard into the lift and switch your legs as you come on down. You want to absorb the shock on that back leg while breathing out hard to explode on the front leg. This is a difficult exercise. Keep your rhythm and your breathing. The power step up is a dynamic and explosive lower body exercise that will challenge your coordination as well as your ability to explode from the floor. All you need is a box and gravity. Let's get into it. The power step up is a dynamic exercise that challenges your explosiveness and your coordination at the same time. Katie's doing a great job exploding off the front foot and switching her legs in midair while catching herself deftly on the back leg. If you're having a hard time with this exercise, get into the rhythm of swinging your arms and keep your breathing moving. It's a hard one, isn't it?
Yep.
You're making it look easy. Nice job. Keep it up.